Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Krazy Werewolf in the house. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J2. So let's get right into it. Let's just open it right now. Here it is, guys. Samsung J2. The Samsung J2 has a stunning look. I must say that. So let's just see the contents of the box. Here we've got an instruction manual. Let's keep that aside. Then we've got the adapter or the charger to charge the phone. Right? Let's keep that aside. Now, system SIM card. There. These are the headphones or the earphones to plug in and listen to some music or videos. The adapter that is contained in this box is 0.7 ampere adapter, which is basically 5 volts adapter. Now let's just open the phone and look at it. Stunning look, I must say that. I'm just switching it on. It has great display. Let's just open it. And here is the magnificent screen. The apps over here. I must say, with its daily usage, it might seem to be a smaller phone for Samsung Galaxy, but in my opinion is a good phone. Here are 3 buttons: the open app button, the back button, and the home button. Here is the Samsung logo, and here is the camera, front camera, and this is a stunning back camera, and the flash, of course, and the audio system. Here is the headphone jack, and here is the adapter or charger jack. This is the volume up or down button, and this is the power button. You can simply open the phone by just doing this, and there you go. This is the battery, this is the SIM. The Samsung J2 has a stunning 2MP front-facing camera and a 5MP camera at the back with autofocus, LED flash, and touch focus. The screen, however, is 11.938 centimeters big, or 4.7 inches long. It has an AMOLED touchscreen with pixel resolution and 234 pixels per inch density and 16 color support. It uses the Lollipop 5.1.1 software with a 1.3 GHz Cortex quad-core processor, a 1 GB RAM, 8 GB internal memory up to 128 GB, and a dual SIM. It uses a 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, and its dimensions are 13.7 into 0.8 into 6.9 centimeter. It uses Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot and many more functions. A radio, an accelerometer and a proximity sensor right over there. To be precise, it weighs 145 grams or 0.32 pound. It can be bought by 6,990 Indian rupee or 107 US dollars and 37 cents. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.